Alright everyone, just a real quick video today. In my last video I did mention how these cinder block beds end up costing about $90 each, and that we were going to use some sheet metal to make new beds. Well, check it out. There we go. That's our first sheet metal raised bed. We made it this weekend. It cost us about $60 in sheet metal and a few boards. And as you can tell, it's a good bit deeper than this one too. It's big. Now we haven't got it filled yet. I've started putting old logs and sticks in the bottom, which I always do because they break down over time and they make great soil, and they also retain moisture. So that's how I start filling up the bed. I'm also going to use things like chicken bedding, compost, goat bedding, things of that nature. But that's on my list of things to do today. But I just wanted to show everybody this. You take the galvanized sheet metal you can buy at your local hardware store. We bought 3 8-foot long sheets of it. One 8-foot long on this side, one on that side, and we cut the other one in half for the ends. And then we just made a simple little frame with the boards to kind of hold the ends together. There's a little support there. We're going to see if it bows out at the sides at all. It's pretty sturdy. I don't think it will, and if it does, we'll just screw a board across the front. But we're going to go ahead and start filling it and see how it looks. And we also put a board across the top. That way, when we're gardening, when we're leaning forward, we can put our hand here, because otherwise it's the edge of the sheet of metal and there's really nowhere to put your hand without hurting yourself. So, $90 or $60. Which one seems better to you guys? All right. I'll update once I get it filled up and planted. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm going to get my gardening on, guys. All right. Have a blessed day, everyone.